We don't add any bacteria. We're not. All these things are naturally occurring. What we do is we control it by putting it in a position or in piles, having the right moisture, turning it, keeping it aerobic with oxygen. You smell not a lot of anaerobic smells right now, because what we do here is we try to keep everything an aerobic type of thermophilic composting process, but it's a natural process. You can either have aerobic or anaerobic. Anaerobic, and you'll hear talk about anaerobic digesters, and they produce a completely different set of gases and finished product than aerobics do. Aerobic is what we feel is better for agriculture and the types of products we're producing. It's CO2 based. I mean, you're going to have CO2 because we're basically using respiration of the tiny bacteria that are in quadrillions of them here doing their job. They break down the carbon. They stabilize everything. All the energy that took to grow that plant is recycled back into a soil or into the compost, an organic material that is then available to grow more plants. If you just throw it on the ground, it's not available. But once you go through the composting process and you mineralize it back to soil, then all those nutrients are available, not to mention a whole gamut, a wide range of beneficial bacteria and fungi that are associated with compost that help the health of soil and plants, and do the help the process of exchange between the soil nutrients and the plant. We also use a lot of what's called gypsum. We do gypsum recycling here. That's calcium sulfate. It's great for the desert because we have acidic, we have alkaline soils, and we have a lot of salt. The calcium ion has a stronger ionic bond than sodium, so it replaces salt in the soil. It actually flocculates or opens up the soil and allows the salt to leach out. The sulfur ion does help in somewhat to acidify the soil. So you get both, you get leaching of salts, and calcium is essential for the cationic exchange between the soil and plant roots for nutrient uptake. So it's a great, we put that in a lot of different products.
So what is that?